product from Sonos intended to, well, move. So we tested it to ensure it could survive a few accidents. The drop test. We dropped it a lot. The water test. Water is everywhere. Humidity in the air, a splash from the pool, even unexpected rain. The temperature test. To ensure the speaker could survive both an impossibly hot summer day as well as a bitterly cold winter night, we tested it under some pretty extreme conditions. The spill test. The materials of Sonos Move can withstand a wide range of substances: soda, sunscreen, red wine, ketchup mustard, and more. The shock test. The static electricity generated by a Sonos user walking across a carpet results in a very small lightning bolt. Sonos Move can withstand a pretty intense zap. The battery test. These test units have been playing for 6 hours at half volume, and they're still going. The packaging test. These tests simulate the bumps Move could encounter in transit and help us ensure the speaker arrives undamaged.
The Bose Portable Home Speaker is a wireless home speaker, a portable Bluetooth speaker, and a voice-controlled smart speaker all in one. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your speaker. Let's begin by carefully opening the box and confirm the following parts are included. The first thing you'll see is your Bose portable home speaker. Underneath this divider is a quick start guide and important safety information. Lift up this carton to find a USB-C cable, and lastly, a power supply. Now let's set up your speaker. Begin by connecting one end of the USB-C cable into the power port on your speaker. Connect the other end into the power supply and then plug it into a power outlet. Please note, you can also charge your speaker with the optional Bose portable home speaker charging cradle accessory. The power light will pulse white to indicate it's charging. Once the power light glows solid white, your speaker is fully charged and can provide up to 12 hours of audio playback. For the most functionality, we recommend downloading the Bose Music app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Sign in with or create a new Bose ID. From the My Bose screen, tap the plus button. Your device will begin searching for your portable home speaker. Once you see your speaker, tap Add Product. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your speaker to Wi-Fi. Name your speaker. Set up sharing settings, and add any compatible voice assistants in your region. Your Bose portable home speaker is now set up.